Man, I'm trying to study, but damn, man, these girls be dancing their asses off, man. It's hard to concentrate here. But I like it though. It's that natural high, son.
Jed, there you are.
Oh, what's up, man?
What the hell are you doing? Been looking all over for you.
I'm studying, huh?
Studying? What the hell are you looking out there? What the hell is that?
Oh, man, shit. Poetry in motion, man.
What? Poetry and what? Yeah, anyways. What are you studying right here?
Oh, man, weight training, man. I think I'm failing that class.
Wait, do we have a test?
I don't know, man. I think so. We haven't been there like in 3 weeks.
I know, right? But
man,
do you really want to go? I mean, I
don't
think
know,
we should
man.
go.
I don't know. I'm trying to get like an A or a B, man. But
we don't have a test, right?
yeah, let's not go.
We don't have a test?
I don't know.
Let's not go.
All right then.
All right.
Cool.
So anyway, Lawrence said he wants to work out. So.
Yeah, what is it, Lawrence? Mr. I club too much.
Captain Clubbing.
I guess.
Well, he said to meet us there in 5 minutes. So.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Filipino time. Make it like an hour.
An hour. Let's do it then.
Word up.
All right. Work out, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hi.
Tell me what your name is.
I'm Captain Clubbin. And we're gonna do the damn thing. Oh, you can't sit down?
Yeah, you can.
Well, you can now.
Alright guys, today we're starting off with some cardio. 30 minutes straight.
Yeah,
30
right.
minutes? 30 minutes straight.
30, 10.
30.
Man, 30 minutes, that's cool, man. Can I break 2? Damn. I'm gonna be tired, man.
30 minutes, man. Hell no.
Look at 30 minutes, man. This guy's crazy. Man, how much I got left? Damn, man, 1 minute? Man, I'm done, man. Get this.
Come on guys. 25 more minutes. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. So we started off with a 30-minute cardio, which is very, very, very essential. You gotta get the blood flow through the body. When the blood flow through the body, then you'll be able to work out better. That's what's up. Alright, now we'll be doing the chest press. So when ladies press your chest, they'll be impressed. There you go. You're gonna breathe out, don't forget to breathe out.
It's too heavy, man.
Just keep going, you can do it. Line up those abs.
I don't want to press them that much. Man. Chest press to get the ladies impressed. This guy's stupid.
Alright fellas, for our next workout, it's gonna be pretty fun. We'll be working on our curls. Alright, let's get to it. Alright.
Man, curls? They make girls. this. Captain Clement.
So we're gonna work on our triceps because it is the antagonist of the bicep.
Psych!
Tricep. It's a tricep. Ooh, I feel it.
Alright, now we'll be doing the low row. We're working out on the chest. It is good to balance it out. So we're super sick. We'll be doing the low row.
Low row? Those boats nowadays. I have a car. Stupid.
Now, we'll be working with a medicine ball. It's a great way to work your core and your obliques. Good work.
Wait. Some teacher doesn't even show us how to do it.
If you guys had trouble, this is how you do it. Start with one direction. We'll start left or right? Alright, we'll start with my right. So your left. Your left. Ready? And go. Hand it off.
It's that easy.
And that's how it's. We'll be doing the leg press now. We'll start your quads, your hams, and your glutes.
Let's do work.
Handle it.
Leg press. Man, that was easy, man.
Calf raises. Now. See his calves? It's raising his calves. Calf raises. With dumbbells.
Ooh, raise the calves. Raise the calves. Raise the calves.
Now, we will be doing the Peloton.
So why are we doing this again?
Because we can raise the roof easily.
Raise the roof?
I'm glad we're done.
So after a good, long workout session, it's very essential and important to stretch out. After